Guardian Spirits up.
Me and Power Infuse on me.
Yep.
Me on the Vanquisher. Oh, did we actually skip it? Yay.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah. Good job.
Nice.
Into the edge. Off Vortex. Okay, stack up here. This is good.
Stack.
Dodge to the side after this, and now moved out to the side. Don't go in front. And then just wait until he channels. Now you run behind him, and then you immediately go back onto the stack spot behind him. So now you move. So otherwise you get cleaved. Ordos, Vortex. Use chains
Stack.
on these two if we can. Dodge to the side. Sharkies, Vortex. Typhoon them. Just fuck that all up. Just push. Fucking perfect. This is 20 times better.
Nice job, guys.
Back to healing quick.
Guardian Angel up.
You pick up the first Vanquisher.
Off
milked.
if we can.
Get milked.
These pedestals. This pedestal's not being used until that Vanquish responds. We should be just channeling all the pedestals.
PI on you.
Thanks. Innervate more cookies. And innervate farm. Ordos, innervate more cookies. Kill the assassins before we get the soul infusers. Keep off healing boss.
Infusers are coming.
Use mana tides if you haven't. Kill infusers here, everybody. Kill infusers.
I'll stun this close one. Don't even need to. Good job.
Another interruption from the castle guard. Dispose of them.
I'm gonna pick up this last orb, don't touch with this. Go in lust right now and kill all this shit. We're pushing the phase is kind of at a bad time. Kill all this trash quick. Lots of damage. Gonna reach out. Get the boss over to the other side of the room once we can. Once all this trash is dead, just keep him where he is for now.
I got the
Watch out
Vanquisher.
for the frontals and stuff. Not to this side of the room. We want the other side of the room. Other side of the room. Just run. Wind rush or something over to the other side. We want to use like the open side of the room now for this phase. Dodge frontal. Hopefully it's away from us. Holy fuck. Beam shout. Just literally use everything to survive. Like the boss is dead in 2%. I'm vortexing. Stack up. Fences. Move to the side. Dodge the frontal. Watch the channel. Dodge this. And boss ice. Good job, everybody. Easy game. Very clean. This was a much better pull.
Good job, guys.
Nicely done,
Oh,
guys.
yeah.